Hi everybody, today I'm going to do a review on the Godiva Belgium Brownie Cheesecake Swirl. When I got this, I thought everything you need would be in this box, but just for the cheesecake batter, you're also going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 egg. And then more ingredients you'll need. You'll also need half a stick of unsalted butter. I'm just going to use my salted butter because I don't have unsalted. And you need 1 tablespoon of water and 1 egg. There's 6 ingredients that's not included in this box that you'll need on top of buying this too. So let's find out how good this is and if it's worth it. On the picture alone, looks really, really delicious. So this is what's in the box. You get the brownie mix, the cheesecake mix, and then you just get this pan. Oh, and there's a little liner that goes in the pan too. So for the first step, we have to grease the sides of the pan. Well, making this cake was pretty easy, but now it's going to bake for 40 minutes. I noticed that the cheesecake pack was just sugar. Okay, so there it is. It's all done. And it smells really good. It says to refrigerate it now for 2 hours. That's going to be the hardest part, waiting 2 hours, because you just really want to dig in because it looks so good. Me and my daughter are going to give it a try. It's good. Okay, I'll try these two. I'm gonna try to get the brownie and the cheesecake together. It's kind of clumpy though. It's really good. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.